got him from long range, man. Okay, where could I? Oh yeah, I had to go to that one spot. I said I was going to go back to where I got the rockets after I get the. Oh my gosh. After I get the whatever, the morph ball. Whoa. Yeah. Run. I need some energy, man. There we go. Full energy. I have to go. Oh, look at this. I can go in the wall. What? What is hitting me? Bees. Oh, they're so irritating. You hear that? Ooh. Let me come back here. I'm saving, man. I got my morph ball. Oh, I just realized I wasn't even breathing. Don't forget to breathe. This game is just so intense. Like, I get so... Like, I'm in the game, man. So...
Just look.
I want to know what those rockets are over there. So that's a trap. Okay, how do I try for the morph ball? How come I can't jump? There's a morph ball. Whoops. Hold on a sec. What? I thought I was able to jump. Oh, maybe it's an upgraded morph ball I gotta get. Holy cow, that is a lot. So I need to up... What? Okay, hold on. Where did I... Map! Oh, zoom out. Rotate. There we go. Now I need to go here. How do I get there? Oh, I haven't been through there yet. Yeah, that's where I was supposed to be. I'm in the wrong place. Unless I can get in there. So I need to turn around and go back. Yeah. Ah, itchy arm. Not now, man. I noticed that I always get itchy like when I have to like do something, like carry a box or something. Okay. Done, beetles. Maybe I should actually scan them and see what they really are. They just remind me of morning breath. Morning breath beetles. Oh wow, I'm shooting the birds. Nice. A nice added effect. Okay, map. I haven't been up there because I have to go up to get to that one. How do I zoom in? I need to go to one of these two blue areas right there. How do I get to that? I gotta... Okay. Get me out of here. I don't think I can jump up there, can I? Oh, it's too high. Maybe I could take the morph ball along the wall? Yeah, I'm just ignoring you guys. Just getting... That's getting old, man. How did I... What? I'm confused. Oh, this thing is so hard to rotate. How did I get in there before? So how do I just rotate it? There we go. How the heck did I get in there? So I've been through here already 10,000 times. And why can't I go to that big tube? I'm going to that big tube, man. Get out of my way. I am going. Holy cow, look at this. I almost died. I'm just getting careless here. Good thing they dropped you all that energy. I must have totally forgot to like go through there. This guy's back? Oh, they're stronger now? Hold up, hold up. Where? Oh, up there. Oh. How do I get on that thing? Oh my gosh, this is what? My mind. I have an idea. How do I get up there? Okay. Turn around, turn around. Okay. I fell off. Come on, man. Let's go. Momentum. Progress requires morph ball augmentation. Boost ball upgrade. Fine, I knew it. I don't have the morph ball booster. Where do we get that from? I'm busy, Jazzy. I don't know where to go. Let's see. Nothing here. Map. This rotate thing is... Okay, I want to move. Here we go. Where am I supposed to go? I can't go up there because I have to go up to get to that. Let me zoom in on this. And why didn't I go here? I'm lost. Wait, is there something on the other side? I need the super ball.
How did you get PC game?
I don't know. I've never played this before, so. It's not looking great right now, I'll tell you that. I'm lost. I gotta find, and I didn't go that way because I need to go up there and I don't have the special.
Can you place on it?
I don't have, yeah, I don't have the upgrades to get. I'm totally lost. Okay, this is the map button.